Oh, yeah. There's your problem right there. See the L pipe? That's connected to the PVC. Yeah, but don't worry. I got just the tool to fix this for you. There you go. Good as new.
Are you sick of overpaying for a service professional who underdelivers and overcharges? Who is late to the job? Or he gives you a huge time window of when he may show up, like 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., if he even shows up at all. Or he may call and say he's gonna be half an hour late, but how do you know for sure? Or if they finally do show up, how do you know what he looks like if he's not even in uniform? Or if he's even qualified? That's why Utzo was created. Utzo is an app that allows you to hire a service professional in seconds. All you do is open the app, see what service professionals are nearby, and book one on demand. All the service professionals are background checked, insured, bonded, and definitely not sex offenders.
Mr. Dream Plumbing, someone needed a pipe fixed. Ma'am?
Yeah. In the kitchen. Thanks. Each service professional is vetted before being admitted to the Utzo app. And you can see their ratings and reviews from other customers on the profile. Running a household is hard enough. Hey, no running in the house. Utzo just made life a little easier so you can concentrate on other things, like being a role model for the children. Hey, I said running. Sorry about that. Download Utzo today and see what people everywhere are talking about.